This hidden iPhone reset fixes camera problem instantly. Do you have any issue with your camera setting? Maybe you've made some setting that makes your camera look so bored, that makes your camera look so disturbing while using it. So this particular setting will fix all this problem and restore your iPhone camera to the default settings. This is what you need to do. Go to the phone settings on your device, tap on it, then go to general, tap on general. Now scroll down to the base of this on your device where you see transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now here you see this option. Go ahead and tap on reset button. Once tap on reset button, you have this bunch of option that comes up on your device. Tap on reset all settings. Once tap on reset all settings, it comes up like this. You need to provide your phone passcode if you have one, then tap on it. Then you see this option. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay card, keys and faces and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. So it means you need to back up your settings in some place, but mind you, none of your data on your device that will be removed. So tap on this reset button to reset your iPhone settings. And then another important thing that you need to keep in mind that if you have some settings on your iPhone camera that you've put in place, you can screenshot those settings, keep those settings in place. When your phone restored, then guys, go and reset it again. So that's all the simple process, guys, on how to use this hidden iPhone reset fix to fix all your camera settings. If you enjoyed this tip and if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.